Time now for this hour's feature by Mr. Jeffrey Zekin.
Okay.
And it's about license plates.
Yeah, we did a segment before on vanity plates a while ago. Where are they made? Vanity plates, along with regular plates that you see going around every day. So license plates are something most everybody sees every day without much thought. However, you ever wonder where they're made? While there's some private companies that manufacture license plates, a significant portion of the plates in the United States are made by prison inmates. The practice of having inmates make license plates has been around for a century. New York opened the first license plate factory in Auburn Prison in 1910. Soon after, other states started making their own production. It was mainly a tax thing to put plates on. So for decades, prisoners served as the primary source of license plates in the U.S. Inmates stamped out the plates, painted the numbers and letters on them, packaged them up, and then shipped them out for distribution. At one time, nearly every state had some form of license plate manufacturing in the prison system. Now, we're going to talk about 6 of these states. One of them is Alabama. Alabama is the Alabama Department of Corrections runs a license plate plant in the Draper Prison Facility. Inmates produce the standard plates, and then there are some specialized plates that are made by private companies. Arizona is another one. Arizona State Prison Complex of Florence. They manufacture standard plates for the state, and again, specialty plates are outsourced to a private provider. Arkansas. Didn't know Arkansas did this. Arkansas plates are made by inmates at the Tucker Unit Prison. Some specialty plates are made by a private company. Florida State Prison at Union Correctional Institution. David, that sounds like a vacation spot, doesn't it?
A vacation
It
spot.
does.
For 7 to 10 years.
Yeah, exactly.
It's 3 hots and a cot.
And then they also sub out the private plates for private companies as specialty plates. Florida State Prison. There you go. Manufactured.
What about Texas?
Texas wasn't on the list. They used to do it. I don't know if they actually do it. I think it's more private now than inmate or correctional facilities. And Louisiana does theirs in Angola. Now, there's a USA slogan on the plates. Does this mean that, is it for the prisoners? Since inmates produce plates in some states, those qualifying plates can carry the Made in USA tag. Made in USA mainly comes from the private companies that employ American workers. Are they lower quality if you get them made in a prison? Not necessarily. Modern prison plate shops have had advantage because of this. There have been some instances of inferior quality plates coming from certain prisons.
Paint peels off.
In the past.
Arkansas.
I made that up. I'm going to get letters from correctional facilities in Arkansas. Do they like making them? Some prison inmates say it passes the time. When you're in there for a particular reason, it does.
Of course, they can't hear anything because of all that stamping with the steel.
Well, it's actually not that loud, and I've seen pictures of how they do it, and it's a little different. Are there different quality of plates between the private and the inmates? The materials are pretty much the same, and it's just a level of how they do it.
Well,
So
the other thing is that for years they've been trying to only make one plate for the Texas cars.
Mm-hmm.
But I guess DPS says, nay, can't do that, don't do that, we want 2 plates. So they win.
Yep.
Oh, the front plate and the back plate? Yeah. The front plate can make some cars look ugly.
Yeah.
Well, and that's a
Like
revenue thing.
The Corvette, has got an actual plug that, for my car anyway, that goes where the license plate goes in the front.
Well,
so if you only have one plate, put it in the back, and you put the plug up front, it says Corvette on it.
Well,
What?
there's a
What are
lot
you
of readers,
smiling
too. There's a lot of like the toll roads, they read the front plate. And sometimes the back plate. So sometimes they do it both. So the front plate's important for that particular reason.
Last time I took my dad to get his driver's license renewed, they came out, they looked at his van and said, "Where's your front license plate?" He said, "What front license plate?" "Well, you have to have one." So he reaches under the front seat and pulls it out, gets some duct tape and sticks it on the front of the car, and they were happy.
Hey, this program's available 24/7 on iHeart Radio. Just look for In Wheel Time Car Talk. We also video stream on Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and InWheelTime.com, among others.